Okay, so this is progress on the RM250. Right now, this from the last, from number 3 to this update, it took me maybe 2.5 hours to do all this. Progress is fast. I got all this together. Front end pretty much all done. Radiator's on. Motor in, but it's not complete at all. Still have to put the side cover on. Need to get the gaskets for this and the water pump. Couple questions for those people that might have one. First, if you look, there's all that spacing over there. I'm wondering if that looks right or not. I just tightened it down and the wheel looks fine. It rotates just fine, but I was just wondering. And then, where does the CDI box hang or go? When I got it, it was literally just sitting right like that. So, yeah, that's a big question. Everything else is pretty good. I mean, the rear end's pretty all set. I still need the bushings down in there. You'll see the chain hits right there. And that's what makes noise. But yeah, paint looks nice. It actually looks almost professionally done. But yeah, so that's the update. Subscribe for more.